Welcome to your Python journey. This course, designed by Brainloop Lab, introduces Python, Biopython, and Google Colab. It's tailored for science students with no prior coding experience. Get ready to explore the world of programming in a scientific context, enhancing your research capabilities. Why learn Python in science? Python is both easy and powerful, perfect for automating repetitive tasks. It excels in analyzing DNA, proteins, and lab data, making it indispensable in biology, chemistry, and medicine. Embrace Python to streamline your scientific research and data analysis. What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language created in 1991. Known for its clean and beginner-friendly syntax, it's widely used in AI, data science, bioinformatics, and more. Python's versatility and ease of use make it a top choice for scientific computing. What is Biopython? Biopython is a Python toolkit for biology, handling formats like FASTA and GenBank. It allows you to extract sequences, run analyses, and clean biological data. Biopython is crucial in genome, protein, and vaccine research, enhancing your bioinformatics skills. Why Google Colab? Google Colab is a free online notebook requiring no installation. It works on laptops and mobiles, offering free GPUs for heavy machine learning tasks. Ideal for coding and science learning, Colab simplifies collaboration and computation in the cloud. Real scientific workflow teaser. In the next video, we'll upload a FASTA file, extract DNA, calculate GC content, visualize results, and export as CSV. This hands-on approach will guide you through practical applications of Python in scientific research. What's coming next? This was just the foundation. In the next video, you'll upload .fasta, txt files, parse sequences, and write your first real code. Your Python learning journey has officially started, paving the way for advanced scientific computing. Real scientific workflow teaser. In the next video, we'll upload a FASTA file, extract DNA, calculate GC content, visualize results, and export as CSV. This hands-on approach will guide you through practical applications of Python in scientific research. Stay tuned for your first coding tutorial. Get your free ebook, The Python Starter Kit, via the link in the description. Subscribe for part 2 and comment if you're excited for hands-on tutorials. Follow @Brainloop for updates and enhance your coding skills.